This is my 6th consecutive year. What else can I say?
Oh, this was a great event. Every time I walk away with this event with something learned new.
Great contacts, great networking, a lot of business insight.
The ARC Forum's a tremendous opportunity every year. It's like the Academy Awards for process engineers. You talk to a lot of people, they tell you the stories, they tell you where they're going with their markets and their industries, and it's really a good roadmap to what's going on from people who are driving it.
What makes a conference like this really rich are some of the interactions that we have with the customer and some of the meetings and forums and some of the subjects that get discussed today, and they were all enlightening from my perspective.
This is the first year that Intel has sponsored the ARC conference. We're very pleased with what has happened this week. We had a booth and had a tremendous amount of traffic through that, so we've been very pleased with that and able to explain kind of the technologies that we're bringing to the table and have good conversation with customers.
For me, coming to ARC, since I'm from the pharma industry, gives me a chance to interact with folks in like roles from different industries, and it's been very valuable for me to bring back ideas, new connections back to my company and apply them to our business.
I think the best thing about these events is the coming together of all of the best and brightest in the industry to really learn from each other, learn from customers who are presenting about what's happening in the world of industrial automation, and it's just been a really well-run conference and a pleasure to be here.
Had a great time at the conference this year. It was a great place to connect up with other industry vendors as well as connect up with key customers and understand what their challenges were as they implement cybersecurity, IoT, and analytics.
Really great conference. To me, I look forward to coming back.
Well, this is about the 6th year that we've been coming to ARC, and I will tell you what brings us back is year after year, it keeps pushing us forward on what are the trends. I suspect you'll probably see us at many, many ARC forums into the future.